To verify that the packages that you need for your project are installed and to install any that you are missing, press the Windows button at the top of the editor. Then select the Package Manager option. In the Packages in Project tab, you can check the packages that are installed. The ones that you will need are Oculus XR plugin, OpenXR plugin, XR Core Utilities, XR Interaction Toolkit, XR Legacy Input Helpers, and XR Plugin Management. If you don't have any of these, you can press this little plus button at the top and click the Add Package by Name button. This will allow you to search up the name of the package that you're missing and add it to your project. There are other options as well if this one isn't working for you, such as getting the GitHub link to your website for the package and then installing it that way. And there are some other options as well. But generally, the getting the package by name is the easiest method. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you are able to get the packages that you need for your project.